What do you think my brain is made for? Is it just...
Hey guys, so I have not been recording. I have not recorded any type of like content in like a month, maybe even 2. I've been really busy, you guys, between working, photo shoots, networking, a little bit of partying. Your girl has been very busy. Just trying to, you know, but I just wanted to come on here and show a little bit of footage while I get ready for this shoot that I'm already about to be late to, because y'all know me. By now, y'all should know. I be late. And it's not cute, but, you know, I'm getting better. I'm looking for a manager. Someone that's good with time management, actually great with time management, because I'm terrible at it. And I'd rather just pay somebody to get me there on time. But that's later down the line. We'll get there. I was just trying to decide what kind of hairstyle I wanted to do. I did my hair 2 days ago because I went out and I was like, you know what? I started my lock process as well. So I have 2-strand twists under this wig right now. I'm keeping it that way. I've had it for about almost 2 weeks. Tomorrow makes it 2 weeks, I think. And yeah, I'm loving the process. I just wish it would lock faster. That's what everybody says when they first start. Like, I just wanted to hurry up. Like, you can't rush that. But I'm trying to like sleek the ponytail as much as possible, because I feel like blonde hair tends to be thicker because the fact that it's blonde. I feel like they know what they be doing. So it's a little bit too wiggy at the top for me, but nothing that hot press won't do. Won't fix. I also have to paint my fingernail because I had to fix that. I burned it when I was but when it comes out good. It's officially 12:45, and I look like this. So the makeup is about to be it. This is how it came out. It's definitely not perfect, but it will do what it needs to do. I'm just gonna tie this down to like secure any extra flyaways. And just keep it nice and like, I'll just put that to the side because I'm not trying to get makeup on that either, low key. So yeah. So now I'm finna wash my hands. Shades. What is this? $4.75 in L'Oreal, $2.40 in Maybelline. Expired. Y'all don't want to know when this expired. I didn't know makeup would expire. I guess everything can. Fuck it. So I do some of that.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care, but you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he better date me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you play your gun.
using the Maybelline Fit Me fawn tint. I don't know. Combination skin.
Fucking on my ex cause he better date me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely.
And I don't have a specific.
My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
Bye. I will talk to you guys when I get ready. And I'm on my way to shoot.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom, third day pop out the tomb. Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex cause he better date me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never shit where you lay at.
What do you think my brain is made for? Is it just